Hello, it's Fırat Deniz Müftüoğlu from Consulta Process Excellence team. Today, we will have a quick look at an example loan application process for a bank by using ARIS Process Mining. As we look at our loan application project, we come across 5 different analyses that we created before. Analysis in the ARIS Process Mining can be easily customized to provide needed answers to various business questions. For these particular analyses, we used a sample dataset covering 5,000 unique loan applications from current and potential clients of the bank, which are appropriate for representing case we have in real life. Let's proceed further on the analysis. The first analysis group we will review is the Process Explorer. When we look at our process overview, in this analysis we can see useful information such as the average number of cases and activities per day or average throughput time regarding the loan applications. In the chart below, we can see the monthly trend of average values throughout the year regarding the process volume. We also place the distribution of average throughput times. Here we can clearly see that only 57% of the cases deliver output in less than 48 hours. Now let's take a look at the Process Explorer. Processes do not follow the same path every time in real life. Each unique path, we call it process variants. What distinguishes a variant from another can be activities that included or the order of activities. Based on the discovered variants, ARIS Process Mining shows the different paths that our process follows per each occurrence. By default, ARIS Process Mining shows us the most common path that processes have followed, and this path represents approximately 89% of the processes. Let's go a bit deeper by looking at different scenarios. Now we can see the other paths that our process takes. For example, let's filter down on the loan applications that bank has been received and automatically approved by the system. For about 10% of the 5,000 cases, this activity took place and was completed in 4.5 hours on average. Let's take a look at our variants to see different scenarios like this one. By clicking on a bar in the variance chart, we see different variants by process cycle time. This is the most common variant of our process. We can easily see the throughput times and case counts of variants in this analysis. In order to jump into another analysis group, we go back to our project page. Let's examine the number of processes. Through the KPI widget, we see the average process cycle time is about 2 days, which represents the average duration between starting time of the first activity and the finishing time of the last activity in each process among 5,000 occurrences. If the loan applicant is not a customer of the bank or has a low credit score, the process cycle time increases. In the meanwhile, it's quite easy to see how different process dimensions such as channels using for the application, loan amount or applicant's age group have an impact on the process cycle time. In ARIS Process Mining, user can generate various analysis tabs by simply applying different filters to the Process Exploration tab. In this demo, we built approval performance, potential loss analysis, and potential risk analysis. Let's have a look at our approval performance. This analysis covers the approval performance by different dimensions. As we can see here, it's also possible analyzing the approval performance in a multi-dimensional way by filtering a combination of approval type, credibility score, or client information. As process miners, we always want to go deeper to gather actionable business insights. So let's look at the picture in a more specific point of view. In the analysis, which we named as potential loss, we see the pending and rejected loan applications made by the bank's currently highly credible and deposit account owner clients. This is definitely worth a more comprehensive investigation as a money-losing point for the bank. You can see the distribution dynamically for different amounts in the graphic below. Let's examine the opposite, potential risk analysis. In this analysis, we see the approved loan applications of non-clients with a low credit score. This is another alert for attention as it creates a sunk risk for the bank. Just like in the potential loss analysis, you can see the distribution for different amounts in the chart below. In this tutorial, we have reviewed a typical loan application process. By using ARIS Process Mining, we can analyze end-to-end business processes quickly from scratch and easily create countless analyses by the dimensions we have in the process. Thus, we can have a quick start for our process improvement journey by seeing which activities take longer, which are missing or repeating, and how they affect the whole process. Process improvement is also a process itself, and ARIS Process Mining provides a great opportunity to do it in the most efficient way.